Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa, and as you can tell by the title down below, the towel on my head, you already know what kind of video this is. Now 3 months ago, exactly 3 months ago, because I posted that video on August 24th, today is November 24th, so you know it's exactly 3 months. Now I posted that video stating that I'm going on a 3 months hair growth journey, and I made it my own growth products, all from aloe vera and flaxseed. Yeah, so I made those products from those two main ingredients, and I've been using it ever since. I have not been using it consistently, just to say, but I ensure that I use it every week, especially the hair growth oil every week. I don't use it every day like most people do, because my hair growth oil is much thicker and I don't want that much product in my hair, if you understand. And it did finish, and I did make another batch, but what I did to that batch, I added Hair Infinity capsule to it, because I don't want to take it, orally. So what I did, I opened the capsule and I put it in the bottle, and I also had some tea tree oil in this, because the product, you see, after I sit after one day, it stink, and my head did stink real bad, so I had to go out and get some essential oil, put it in there to get rid of the scent. But I've been using it and it's been good so far. What I can say, it makes my hair very soft and light, and I've seen thickness also. Even though I said light, but thickness. What I mean by thickness is that I've gained much more body, if you understand, and I see less shedding, even though I don't have much hair to compare, but you can tell. So what I did before this video, I went ahead and washed my hair. Is no shrink, but we're going to get into this, and then we're going to do some comparison of the hair before and now. So we're going to blow dry it, and you can see if it had grown. So I'll be back.
Like the world is on our side, nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I finished blow drying my hair, and this is the look of it. As you can see, it is thick, and if you stretch it, you can see the length. And in 3 months, I think I did a very good job. Now let's see. Now before, I remember it was like here, and now it's all the way down here. So I grew about 1.5 inches, so that's good. Right here, didn't really have no hair because I shaved it off, and as you can see, it is like this. The back part was shaved down, and as you can see, it's all grown. I think that's about 1 inch. So you be the judge, and let me show you what I can do. Say no to do an eye puff, you get some band. Well, I don't recommend using elastic band, but I can't find the thing that I always use, so I'm just going to use this just for this sake. So if I wanted to just bun my hair, and guys, this is just a quick thing, it's nothing whatever. But look at that, guys. Like, look at that. Nobody can tell that my hair is that short, you know, if I comb it properly. Like guys, talk truth. The back maybe, but yeah. And I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. If you think it worked, I think it worked, and I'm going to continue. The thing that I actually realized is that my hair is much more thicker. Like, I have very thin hair, and if you see all of this, my hair is pretty short and it's hard to comb through it, you know, without any moisturizer. So I think it gone good. Yeah, I think it gone good. Like, look at that. And you know, you can compare with the video, but look at the growth, guys. Look at that. It's actually taller than my finger. It's taller than my finger. It's like right here. This is what? 3 inches. 3 inches tall. And it's very kinky, it's very curly, so you can't even see the real length. I would have to flat iron it, but you know, I'm not putting too much heat in my hair. I only use the blow dryer because I wanted you guys to see the texture, because I have very, very kinky hair. So you wouldn't get to see the real growth if I didn't blow dry it. But guys, let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know if you see the difference, if it grew. I think it did, and I'm going to continue. So the next 3 months I'll come back again with another update, and it should be like right here. It should be about here, and let's see. So right here is there, right? So this is the mark. So before it was here. Yeah, I think I have a picture. It was right here, yeah. So now it's all the way down there, and it goes further, but it's all the way down here. So it should be, by the next 3 months, it should be above my nose tip here, probably on top of it, but we're gonna see. So hit me up in the comments down below, let me know what you think, and if you want to try the product, you know, let me know. As I said before, I start using the Air Infinity, but I don't take it orally. I put it in my oil treatment. I just let it stay in there and use it in my hair. So what I'm gonna do now is just grease my hair scalp, and that's pretty much it. So this is the length. I went ahead and I did I tried to straighten it more, but as you can see, that's the length. I don't really comb my hair a lot. Like for 2 weeks my hair hasn't combed. I just wet it up and use, let me show you what I use. I just wet it up and I use this blueberry bliss. See if you can. Yeah, I use this blueberry bliss because it makes my hair very soft and curly. So that's all that I've been doing. I just wet it up and rub it in there, use a sponge and rub it, and that's all. I don't comb it, I don't do nothing to it. Like, if you see me, you'll say, girl, your hair needs a comb, or you would say your hair not growing, but it's at a stage you don't do much to it, you know, you just leave it, and you want to keep it as low as possible, so you don't put a lot of comb in it. And that's also good because you don't have to stress your hair follicles, so that's good. But yeah, that's what I've been up to as it pertaining to my hair. I try to wash my hair once a week. The most I've been is like 2 weeks, and that's last 2 weeks because I've been so crazy busy and lazy. So I didn't really wash my hair for 2 weeks last time, but I try to wash it every week, and then I moisturize it with, this is the most thing that I use in it. I don't deep condition it every week. I do it at least twice per month, and the deep conditioner that I made, it's finished, so I need to make some more. I have some more aloe vera and flaxseed gel, so I'm just going to use that and make some more. And I don't use gel in my hair, eco-styler gel in my hair. The only thing I do is lay my edges, and I use got-to-be glue. That's it, just for my edges, because girl, I have some edges that need to lay. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. When I'm home, I don't do nothing to my hair, so that's it. And I have a problem keeping my hair length, so I'm just gonna continue this process, and let's see if we'll grow. Like, my natural hair length is normally like down here or down here, but we're gonna see if we're gonna pass that, you know, at least down to the bosom area. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't you forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Yeah, bye.